Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this LIWAG extra large backpack for men. According to the listing, it says durable travel laptop backpack as a gift for women and men with USB charging port, TSA friendly, big business computer bag, college school bag, fits 17-inch laptop, 45 liters in black. It's currently listed for $29.96 on dollars on Amazon, and this is what we get here. Comes nicely sealed in this plastic here, and so let's check how this looks. It's nicely folded. Yeah, it's somehow folded, you can see that, so probably it was better for packaging. Yeah, this thing is huge, so I'll have to open the camera focus a little bit, so I hope you can see that. So you should be able to see everything. This is it from the bag, as you have these things here in the bag. So there's a mix of normal texture and like a little bit somehow coated, you can see that. Then we have this double zipper opening in the back, and the really nice thing is we can fully open that. You can see it's much easier to put something inside and we can fully open. So here as well a small pocket, a couple of pockets also on this side here, a large pocket goes to the middle from here. Apart from that, it's one pocket. Let's close it again. And then yeah, we have these straps here to secure that. That's also a nice thing, so if you have like your valuable computers inside. So the main part, I think that's the main part, or at least, yeah, that's the second one. Yeah, there's even a bigger one. So the second one is also pretty large. You can see we can open it to about 2/3 of the full length. Yeah, you can see that better here. So we can open this till here. And the question is this somehow protected? Yeah, it has some protection down here, which is important for IT equipment. And here we have the access to like a power bank, long cable. That's also good. So we can have it down at the bottom, so you don't want to have this thing like hanging free or something like that. So you can see yeah, it goes all the way down to the bottom. The cable is long enough, and you can see that here's the opening, and that's the outside. So it's nicely secured. You don't have to be worried that something is pulling here. And you could even technically take this thing out. I think I'm not going to do that, but it looks like you could technically take this out if you like that. So I'm not going to do that here. So I've closed the middle part, and now let's see with the main part. It has also a double zipper, so that's easier to open to both sides, and you can see it goes all the way down. Also on this side here, all the way down, you can really fully open that. That's a really nice thing. So you can absolutely easy load. It has even this extra pocket here with this strap, and a nice cushion here between. Also here to the inside, towards the inside, there's cushion. Here's cushion, and to the outside there's I think, yeah, a little bit, yeah, not too much, but there's some cushion here as well. And down here, I mean, yeah, that's a little bit, that's not too much down here. I think there has been almost more in the smaller pocket. Yeah, there is some here as well, definitely we can feel that. So there's a cushion to protect everywhere, and so it's super easy to load. And to give you some kind of idea how large this is, I don't have like a laptop, a large one, I have just smaller ones, but this is a 15.6 inch portable screen, and you can see there's a lot of space left. When we align it here in the corner, you can see there's a lot here all the way around, so I don't have any doubt that it would fit easily for a 17-inch laptop, as they have been listing this thing. So yeah, I think everything looks pretty nice, secured. I mean, it's more like a round style, you have to be aware of that. I mean, it's not a disadvantage or so, it's just a style. You have to know what you want. There are more like rectangle backpacks available as well for business. There are more the round ones, so depends a little bit on the style what you want. And then we have this carry handle here, really massive one, and the straps here are also, yeah, I have to flip this thing around. These things are also protected, have nice cushion everywhere here, and even some extra thing maybe for a pen or so can be adjusted in the length pretty easy here on both sides. So, and has also this hook here, so I think we have everything. I think there's nothing missing, even some pocket maybe for a drink, water or so outside on both sides. So there is really plenty of space everywhere. I think there's nothing which is missing here, and it comes for a pretty low price, $29.99, something like that for me. Yeah, I think it was a good buy, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. I mean, from main brands we have similar things which cost much more, so I think it's a pretty good offer here. And yeah, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.